nda kanyoni kamwe kitonda katagira amahane kandi yerubonana nakwibone ikibaju nda kanyoni kamwe kitonda katagira amahane kandi uzigera ubonana nakwibone koma nkaba niga mu mwaka wa kane nkaba mfite imyaka 8.
Imyaka 8 mu wa kane. Ko watangiye ukiri muto. So what the name of the president of Rwanda? Paul Kagame. Who is his wife?
Jeannette Kagame.
Jeannette Kagame. Thank you so much. Next. Thank you so much. Next. Anyway. Tuvuga n'amazina yawe dukomezanye.
Nitwa Mbarushimana Sosenti. Nkaba niga mu mwaka wa 3. Nkaba mfite imyaka 8.
Imyaka 8. Aha, iga mu wa 3. Ukunda gukora iki mu buzima busanzwe?
Practice.
Practice yo kubyina. Nta kindi kintu ukunda?
No kwiga.
Niriye somo ukunda ku ishuri?
Math na English.
English. So you can speak something in English? What is this? This? No. This. What is this?
This is telephone.
What is that?
Look.
Yeah.
This is television.
Television. Okay. What is that?
Look.
Yes.
This is a table.
What is this?
A chair.
A chair. Thank you. Next. You can stay there, it's okay. Guma ntari.
Murakoze, amazina yanjye nitwa Iraguha Elise. Nkaba niga mu mwaka wa 6, nkaba mfite imyaka 12.
Imyaka 12.
Nkunda social na math.
Social na math. Okay. Tubwire mara ya 8.
8 dukubye rimwe.
Bibivuga mu cyongereza subizi se?
8 times 1 equal 8.
Vuga cyane n'abandi bumve.
8 times 2 equal 32. 8 times 5 equal times 40. 8 times 5 6 equal times 48. Equal time 8 times equal 7.
8 times 7.
40. 64.
8 times 9.
Equals
72.
72.
8 times 10.
Equal to
80. Okay. Next. Guma nta kibazo. Vugira nta kibazo.
Murakoze. Nitwa Mugisha Claude. Niga mu mwaka wa 5.
So what the name of the president of Rwanda?
Paul Kagame.
Paul Kagame. Who is his wife?
Jeannette Kagame.
Jeannette Kagame. Thank you so much. Next.
Murakoze, nitwa Ngabonziza Aime. Nkaba niga mu mwaka wa 4. Nkaba mfite imyaka 8.
Imyaka 8 mu wa 4. Ko watangiye ukiri muto. Ukunda gukora iki mu buzima busanzwe?
Nkunda kubyina no kwiga.
Kubyina no kwiga. Niriye somo ukunda ku ishuri?
Nkunda social na math.
Social na math. Okay. Uzimara? You know how to multiply, okay. What is 5 times 5? Gatanu gukuba gatanu.
25.
25. Thank you so much. Next. Ushatse waguma hariya nuza iri kuguma.
Murakoze, amazina yanjye nitwa Nizeyimana Rodrigue, nkaba mbyina mu muryango wa Max Kids.
Wiga mu wakangahe ufite imyaka
Niga mu wa gatanu, mfite imyaka 12.
gatanu ufite imyaka 12. Ukunda irihe somo ku ishuri?
Nisomo Ikinyarwanda na Math.
Ikinyarwanda na Math. Let me ask you some question. What is 25 plus 10?
10 is equal to 35.
Next. Ugumaho nta kibazo. Umuhereze mikoro.
Imate n'ikinyarwanda.
Niye mpano yindi usibye kubyina aho ufite?
Mfite impano yo kuririmba.
Akaturirimbira akantu.
Kuririmba akantu. Ikibaju nda kanyoni kame kitonda katagira amahani kan yerobona nana kwibone ikibaju nda kanyoni kamwe kitonda katagira amahane kandi uzigera ubona nana kwibone koma darevu ni burya yanjye ngwivutu nishake twigaragaze nakirya birandeba ibyo byose nibindeba.